Solutions to two variable equations. Okay, what you have is you have the following equation. You have y is equal to 4x minus 7. So you have y is equal to 4x minus 7. Now, what you want to do here is you want to try these numbers out. You want to try 2, 1, and you want to put the x. You want to put the 2 in for the x and the 1 in for the y. So we're going to say 1 here is equal to, that should be actually a 4. So it's going to be 4 times 2. So we're going to say 4 times 2 minus 7. So we're going to say 1 is equal to 8 minus 7. So we get 1 is equal to 1. So the first equation works. So we get 2, 1. Now, if we were to try 4, 9, let's say if we tried 4, 9 here, this would be x and this would be my y. So I would go to, again, back to this equation right here. I would replace the y with 9. I would say 4 times the 4 minus the 7. So I would say 9. And then I would say, let's see, 4 times 4 is 16. 16 minus 7. So again, I get the same number of both sides, which is 9 and 9. So evidently, both of these numbers work. Both of these points work. And the reason why they both work is that if we were to draw on a line, we would find that both points are part of the line. So for instance, the 4, 9 would be here, and let's say the 2, 1 would be down here. So if we were to draw this line will actually touch both of those points there. So that's why it's just an equation of this line from a picture standpoint. Now, from a math standpoint, since we got both numbers on both sides, that proves that those points were part of the line because it works in the equation, and that's definitely yes. So C should be our answer. Okay, next question. We have the following. We have x plus 7y is equal to 17. We want to try 10, 1. So there's my x, there's my y. So I'm going to say, let's see, 10 plus 7 times 1 is equal to 17. From here I get 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. And then when I do add this up, I get 17 equal to 17. So it does match, so 10, 1 works. Now what about the point negative 4, 3? Well, this is my x, this is my y. So I'm going to replace the x with a negative 4 plus 7 times 3, and that should equal 17. Well, right here I got negative 4 plus 21 equal to 17. Well, negative 4 plus 21 is a positive 17. So again, we get the same number on both sides. So that means the point does work for this equation. And again, from a graph standpoint, we would have, let's say, the 10, 1 here. And then down here, we would have the negative 4 and 3. And then we would have a line that actually touches both of those points. So that's what's happened from a graph standpoint, that you're able to draw a line and you're able to connect those 2 points. But from plugging into equations, since you end up with both numbers on both sides, then yes, that's another way of proving that the points are part of the line. So my answer here should be C. Okay, next one, I've got y is equal to 4x plus 9. and I got negative 3, 3. So there's my x and there's my y. So my y is 3. Then I'm going to say 4 times a negative 3 plus 9. So 3 is equal to a negative 12 plus 9. But this time I get a positive 3 is equal to a negative 3. They're not the same number. So that one failed. So now let's do the same thing, but this time let's use negative 2, 2. So there's my x and there's my y. So I'm going to say 2 is equal to 4 times a negative 2 plus 9. So I'm going to say 2. This is a negative 8 plus 9. So this is 2 is equal to 1. They're not the same number. So this time both of them failed. It didn't give me the same number on both sides. So my choice here would be neither. Okay, which of the ordered pair is a solution to the equation? So this time I have 6x. So I have 6x plus 3y is equal to 15. I have 3, negative 2. There's my x, there's my y. So I'm going to say 6 times 3 plus 3 times a negative 2 is equal to 15. So this is going to be 18 minus 6 is equal to 15. So 18 minus 6 is 12 is equal to 15. And again, that's not true. So the positive 3 and the negative 2 did not work, since we got 18 minus 6, and 18 minus 6 is 12, not 15. This time let's try 2, 2. So there's my x, there's my y. So 6 times 2 plus 3 times 2 is equal to 15. Well, this is 12 plus 6 is equal to 15, which becomes 18 and 15. This fails. So this does not work either, since we got 18 is equal to 15. So again, both of them fail, so my choice here would be neither.